Hello guys, welcome back with me Chocho 2025. Today we're going to talk about using Florence 2 VQA. Doc VQA stands for Document Visual Question Answering. It's a field of research and a set of tasks that focus on enabling computers to understand the content of document images and answer questions about them. In essence, DOF VQA is about teaching computers to read and understand documents in a way that allows them to answer questions much like a human would. Florence 2 has such model. It called Florence 2 Doc VQ. To use this, you need image from load images. Then we need to load the Florence 2 model, so use download and load Florence 2 model. Select the Doc VQ model. Then to run it, use Florence 2 run. Select task Doc VQ. We need to show the result, put it on show text. In Florence 2 run, type any questions that you want to ask about the image. Like, what is this place? What the name of the place, and other stuff. The model might also recognize famous people and pop culture. We can ask gender, what in front of it, what in the back of the picture. It also can read text and stuff. It also try to understand a context like receipt and try to make sense of it. Like if you want to ask a price and stuff, but for now it is hardly reliable. Also, it seems it can't translate text. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. See you again on the next episode, and have a nice day. Please subscribe.